How to make Facebook profile completely private on mobile. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to make Facebook profile completely private on mobile. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our three lines right here in order to proceed to our menu. And then from in there, we can just click on this gear icon in order to proceed to our settings. Then from in there, we can just click on the privacy option. So if you can see it in here, you can just utilize the search option right here. But if you can see this actually looks like this, which is the privacy checkup. So click on that. And then this will open the page wherein you can just use these things right here and you can guide us through some settings. So just click on this first one right here. Click on continue, and then from in here, make sure that this email, birthday, relationship, and work, friends, and followings are all on only me. If it's on public, change it on only me. So I will change mine right here. As you can see, everything has been for only me and private. So click on next and make sure that these things right here are also on private. But since you can't actually choose this one, you can just choose friends because you want to share stories to your friends, right? So you can just click on friends right there, click on next, and then you can add people on your backlist. So click on next again. Once you're done, click on review another topic. And then from in there, you can also click on the second one right here. And then in here, you can turn on alerts. You can also skip that. You can change your password. And then you can see all the secret tips that you have. So click on that. Click on review another topic. And then you can just click on this how people can find you on Facebook. So in here, click on continue. And then from in here, you can see all the friend requests that you have. So in here, you can see who can send your friend requests. You can choose it to be friends of friends or everyone. Click on next again. And make sure that these things right here are set to only me again. Click on next. And then regarding search engines, it depends on what you want. But for me, I want to turn it off. So I just need to click on next and I can review another topic. So in that way, I have now successfully made my Facebook profile private. I can now head over to my profile. As you can see, this is my profile. If you click on the three dots right here, you can see all of these things right here. Usually, there's a lock button under this, and you can just lock your profile using that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make Facebook profile completely private on mobile. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.